Based on the Zeiss Flectagon lens design, the Soviet-era Mir-1 may not be a total original, but neither is it a clone. It's certainly up to the task of filming Australian wetlands, a very zen experience. The Russians finally proved they could make decent glass when in 1958, this 37mm lens picked up the Grand Prix Award at the Brussels World Fair. For years afterwards, lenses produced carried the Grand Prix Brussels 1958 inscription. So while not hard to find, this is a lens that is still well respected. Indie filmmakers like its treatment of flare and its clickless aperture. The generous 10-aperture blade configuration also provides nice bokeh with rounded highlights. Manual focus is easy with long throw rotation allowing for fine adjustment. Some versions won't focus, however, when fitted to digital cameras. The problem is easily fixed by using extension rings or by adapting it to fit the chunky M42 mount. This ensures the lens is set at the right distance from the sensor, replicating its original camera configuration. Until next time, this is Lens Addiction. Good shooting!